Reyna Filipinas, Palawan!
Congratulations to our very own Reyna Filipinas Palawan for winning the Best in Swimsuit in the Reyna Filipinas 2026 Grand Coronation Night with a perfect 10 coming from all the judges. Grabe ang galing at ang gandang ipinakita ni Miss Palawan Angelica Lopez on the swimsuit round, why she won the Best in Swimsuit. Kaya naman, once again, ladies and gentlemen, let's watch the swimsuit performance of Miss Angelica Lopez, Reyna Filipinas, Palawan. We will be giving more live updates for this Reyna Filipinas Grand Coronation Night. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and of course, samahan natin ang ating mga kandidata hanggang sa dulo ng koronasyon. This is Nel 2204. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutan na mag-subscribe at magkita po tayong muli sa susunod na update.